Some of you may have a favorite currency pairs or currency asset to trade. However, is your performance really better in those assets compared to others? Some currency pair and asset may actually have their specific characteristic, whether it is strong growth in the underlying asset over a long term, the amount of volatility, or some people actually believe that certain currency pair in the Forex market have a higher probability of moving line with technical analysis set up. Moreover, major and more liquid instruments usually have a lower spread, which in return has a positive impact on your trading performance. Some of those arguments are actually measurable and are underlined with proof. Others, especially the technical analysis complements, are less so. Let's take a quick look at volatility. You may prefer strong volatility or not, which highly depends on your level of experience and personal preference. GBP USD, GBP NZD, GBP JPY, they all show an above average volatility over the past years, with their average daily amplitude being above 100 pips per day. Others, more exotic currency pairs such as USD SEK or USD TRY also shows high volatilities. On the other hand, AUD USD, CAD CHF, AUD CHF shows rather low volatility with a daily amplitude of less than 50 pips. Talking to traders, you oftentimes hear that AUD USD respects trend and support resistance lines very well, and that for EUR GBP, if breakouts happen, the currency pair quickly starts trading in its new range. Also, USD CHF, EUR CAD, and GBP USD are oftentimes named when talking about the currency pairs with the best technical conformance. However, it has to be noted that this is not statistically proven and you may actually have different observations. The key question is, and this can be measured, do you have a significant over or underperformance in some of your symbols traded? Looking at the chart, you will see your average performance per trade in the different symbols traded. When moving your cursor over the chart, you will also see the underlying numbers of trades for each symbol and the total profit or loss you have made with this symbol. Moreover, looking at the more recent trades, you can observe whether there has been any major change happening in the last months compared to your overall performance. Are you actually surprised looking at the performance by symbol, or have you expected in this pattern? Most of the traders we talk to are not surprised by their worst or best symbol, however, rather by their number 2 or 3, on both the profit as well as the loss side, and by the amount of differences between their worst and best performing symbols. Not every trader will see significant result in all of their charts, which is completely normal and nothing to worry about. Actually, not having a loss-making pattern is something that we should aim for. Something else you should aim for in this analysis is a positive correlation from your number of trades in a symbol and your average profit expectation. Symbol which you are more familiar with should also give you a better payoff when trading them. When you start working on your trading behavior, which may have been triggered by the transparency on your data, it is very important not to overload yourself by tackling too many areas at one time. The larger the complexity, the lower may be your focus, and the less resilient your result.